Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good and a wonderful opportunity, guys, and it is a very good news to all the postgraduate candidates. Why? Because any PG, okay, if you belongs to any post graduation, then you may apply for this recruitment, guys. That is UGC recruitment 2021. Any PG and only PG, even freshers also can apply for this one, and you can earn up to 60,000 rupees per month. Okay, so it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And please give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official public notice we got from the University Grants Commission regarding the recruitment, guys, and here you may check down hiring of junior consultants on contract basis for Distance Education Bureau. And here the University Grants Commission New Delhi invites online applications for hiring consultants in the following category to perform the various functions of the Distance Education Bureau. Fine. And here the categories mentioned junior consultants, and the total number of posts 8 are there. And coming to the range of consultancy fee, 50,000 to 60,000 rupees per month will be available. Okay. And next, to be decided by the competent authority at the time of selection, and eligibility criteria, qualification and other details can be accessed from the UGC website, and the last date for filling up of the online application is 12/7/2021. Okay, so these are the things. And next, coming to the educational qualifications that you may check down here, guys. So consultants for Distance Education and Online Education and Distance Education Bureau, the requirements is given. Qualifications should be postgraduate from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks, preferably with broad knowledge of distance, online mode of education, understanding distance education or the online education. Fine. That means whatever the post graduation you belongs to, you must have the 55% of marks. And here the UGC NET or the PhD qualification, they are not asked for this one. Of course, if you are having the UGC NET and if you are having the PhD, also you can apply based upon your post graduation qualification. Okay. And here the candidates who are applying, preferably means the candidates who, they are not asking it as mandatory, but they are looking for such type of category. The candidates must have the broad knowledge of about the distance online mode of education. That means how to conduct the distance mode of programs or the classes or the courses, something like that, and understanding about the distance or the online education. Fine. Those candidates are preferable to this post, guys. Fine. And well versed in use of computers involving MS Office, Excel, or else use of internet, etc. That means that you must be very much efficient in using the MS Office to prepare the Word documents or else the PPT, something like that, and the Excel, and how to use the internet, etc. That means you must be having little or more idea must be there regarding how to use MS Word, how to use MS PowerPoint and MS Excel. Okay, and about the using of internet. Fine. So how to connect the internet. Fine. So all these things you must be aware about those things, guys, and should be capable of functioning in multifunctionality work, multifunctionality work environment. So you must be capable. And maximum age limit is given as 35 years on last date of submission of application. So actually the last date of submission of application is given as 12/7/2021. So on that date you must have the 35 years. Okay. So there might be the age relaxation category might be there, but regarding the age limitation, age relaxation things are not kept here. So at the time of filling up of the online application form, you can find out. Okay, so or else any point is represented here, we will see. So duties here not limited to the following: assist the commission in handling academic and administrative work related to the distance or online education of higher education institutes in accordance with the regulations and relevant rules, and assist in monitoring universities or institutions offering programs in distance or online education mode, and maintenance of data related to the release of grant and other related matters, and liaise with state governments or Ministry of Education on matters related to distance or the online education in Distance Education Bureau, and handling the RTAs and court cases related to distance education or online education in DEB, should be able to willingly undertake official tours if required, any other work assigned by the University Grants Commission. And the period of engagement is 6 months, which may be extended further on the basis of the review of performance and conduct guys. However, the appointment authority reserves the right to terminate the engagement at any point of time without assigning any reason. Okay, and the courts at Delhi and Delhi High Court alone shall have the jurisdiction in case of any disputes. Fine. So these are the points given here. So what are the duties and what about the age? Of course, regarding the age relaxation, they did not mention any point here, guys. But don't worry, at the time of filling up of the online application form, as per your caste category, if your age is exceeding, then automatically your online application will not be proceeded further. Okay, and while coming to the, it is the online application form, guys. Okay, that I will attach in the description box of this video. So for which post you are applying, see guys, junior consultant, and name of the applicant, father's name, date of birth, okay, category and gender, and uploading the passport size photograph, your permanent address, city, pin code, state, telephone with STD, mobile number, email, and the fax number with the STD code. If the fax number is having, then you may enter, guys. And after filling up of all these details, next click on this next, guys. Whatever the things are there, you have to upload all the things, just upload, and then finally click on the submit button. Fine. So here first personal information. After filling up of all these things, next you will be directed to the educational and qualification information, next employment information, next declaration, and the submit. Okay, so finally within these 4 parts, your online application form will be completed. Okay, guys. So these are all the things. If you are having any queries, please put your queries in the comment section. We will discuss. Okay, or else at the time of filling up of the online application form, if you are facing any problems, then please put your problem in the comment section. That one also we will see, guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.